What's up, guys? It's Gus Activa, and today we are going to go to the supermarket to get some essentials that I need: water, eggs, yada yada, stuff like that. You guys already know. If you guys are new here, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. So the supermarket is about 7 minutes away, which is not too far, but it's pretty dark outside. I wore my Meta frame so I could listen to music while I'm walking. Not because I need help with my vision. Well, I kind of do, because I do wear prescription glasses and contacts, but right now I have my contacts in so I can motorcycle. Someone just passed me on a motorcycle. But basically, these glasses don't have prescriptions on them, so they're just clear frames. And I did that just because I would like the option when I'm outside to take them on and off, you know? Believe it or not, even though they're clear, they're transitional, and for some reason at night it feels a little darker than usual, so I might have to take them off. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I had to take my glasses off. It was too dark for all that. It was too dark. But look at what I'm looking at. Red bus. A red bus. And we have to cross the street up there. As you can see here, there are vegetables. And here are the fruits. Oh yes, ketchup. No, I need to get the ketchup. It's my favorite. Let's see. We have to get some diet soda. We have to get some Diet Coke. Let's see what they have for me. They have these little cans of Diet Coke. They have bottles. They have bottles of Diet Coke, but I may just get like 2 bottles of the Diet Coke like this. Well, they have the glass bottles, but you can't close glass bottles back up. Once the lid is popped, the lid is popped. With these, at least you can close it back. So I can just get a sip. I can get a sip and then twist it right back, and it'll retain the sharpness of the soda. Oh, they have some Prime. Ooh, this is a cool Prime bottle. It's the Barcelona colors. That's nice. I may have to get a yogurt too. Let me see. I may have to get some yogurt. Like the little protein yogurts. Let me see. I didn't go yogurt. I went with the sliced chicken breast. Sliced chicken breast for the protein. Now I have to find eggs. I don't know where the eggs are. I see bread though, but no eggs. I think I want to try this, so I'm gonna get this protein pancakes. 20 grams of protein for 4 little pancakes. So we'll see. We'll see if it's legit. I'll be the reviewer, and I'll tell you guys if it's worth it. I found the eggs. They were hiding from me. They're down here. What y'all think? I think I'm gonna get a 10 pack. 10 medium. Hopefully they're not cracked. Normally I can check them in the United States, but they're in a wrapper here, so I can't. They're in like a plastic wrap. So they're sealed. They should be good though, for sure. But that's all it's looking like. Just something short, just cause not much. We're on vacation. Normally I'm eating out every day, but I just need a little bit, you know, some water, some 0-calorie soda, you know, a little bit of snacks, you know, a little bit of snacks, and I'm good. Do they have anything I could bake? Nah, we ain't getting that fancy. We have chocolate though. I like me some chocolate. Especially some dark chocolate. I like dark chocolate. I like dark chocolate a lot. Okay, hold on. I need to get bread now. I just looked at the breads, and that's all I need for now. So let me back out and let me go check out. See, when the bread looks a little weird and looks a little, you know, not fresh, I just don't get it. I'll go tomorrow and look for it again. But let me go check out. I'm eating the pancakes before I ended off this video. I'm eating the pancakes and they're alright. I heat them up. They're alright. They don't taste sweet. They're just like soft bread. It's like soft, squishy bread. So not too bad. But if you like this short video, if you learned any new vocabulary words in English, remember to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.